Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the Profitable Traders. I've done my technical analysis and found out that US dollar in most of the currency pairs has found support on a daily time frame and most likely to gain strength during this season of US election. If you want to learn this technical analysis, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications bell so that you'll be alerted whenever we upload new videos of similar content. Without wasting more time, let's get started. The first pair that I have identified US dollar finding support is dollar yen. On a daily time frame, we have this level that was tested here as support. It was tested here as support. And let's see if we go further to the left. This level of structure was tested here as support. Here there was this pullback at this support level, then the market went to the upside. So this is a level of structure that was tested as support multiple times, and this market has come back again testing the same support level. And remember, when this market came to this support level, there was a push up. When it came to this support level, there was a push up, and now the market has come again to this support level with this rejection and with this bullish candle. When we go to a lower time frame here, what do we find? We find this has made double bottom. There was this first bottom, made a push up and a double bottom, and with this double bottom we have this bullish candle. So this is an indication that this market is likely to push to the upside as it has done in the past. As US elections drawing closer, what I'm seeing here, I see dollar is gaining strength. I'll see a push up here and probably go above this level of resistance. Who knows? This is the technical analysis that I've done, and it coincides with my strategy where I trade at levels of structures. The next currency pair is dollar Canadian. On dollar Canadian, the market has come into a level of support. I took a trade at this level of support here, and I had a win here. The market has come back again to this level of support, and what I'm seeing is just retesting this support level and going to the upside, which means dollar is gaining strength. And why is this level a strong level of structure? It is a strong level of structure because this level of structure has been recently formed here as support. And let's see, this level of structure has acted here as support, and it has acted here as support. So this is a level of structure that has been tested multiple times, and it has come to this level of structure, got a rebound up, again made a pullback to this level of structure, making double bottom on a daily time frame, and I will expect this market to go to the upside. The next currency pair is dollar Swiss. Again, the market has come to another level of support, and as it has come to this level of support, I see it gaining strength. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame. This market made the first low, a pullback, making another low, making a double bottom, and with this double bottom, what do you see? I see a bullish engulfing candle, and at this bullish engulfing candle, this is a sign of a reversal. A double bottom with bullish engulfing candle at a major level of support. What I'm expecting here, what I'll do next week, I'll buy this market because it has come to a major level of structure on a daily time frame, and on a 4-hour time frame it has made double bottom with a bullish engulfing candle. So this to me is an indication that there is a reversal taking place here. I see dollar is gaining strength as election day is drawing closer. Election time is near. I will also update you on these currency pairs, how they have played out. But to me, to my technical analysis is that as election time is drawing closer, I'm seeing US dollar is trying to gain strength, gaining momentum, and I'll see it going to the upside. If you have different strategy and it shows that the dollar is gaining strength, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And guys, this has brought us to the end of the video. If you have liked this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, and turn on that notifications bell. Share it with your friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. I wish you a profitable week ahead.